Good evening सबैजनालाई from Australia अनि आज चाहिँ Friday evening अनि हामी चाहिँ केट र म चाहिँ के खाने भनेर डिसाइड गरिरहेको छौं अनि डिसाइड गर्ने क्रममा चाहिँ उसले चाहिँ यो यहाँ छ this one here we decided to have sticky honey barbecue pork sticks for dinner.
Chicken.
Really? They didn't send pork. That's a bit weird. Anyway, so he's going to cook sticky honey barbecue chicken. So yeah, it's a recipe and he's just following that recipe. So I have to leave it here for him so he can cook. Do you want to say anything, babe? Are you having fun?
Oh, a lot of fun, Mum. I love cooking you dinner.
Yeah?
It's my Friday evening.
Friday evening. show me your smiley face then. You need to shape your bed, honey. You look terrible. Okay. So that's the vegetables. Ani. Yeah, so what is this one? Potato. He's going to cook mashed potato.
I'm reading that.
Oh my god, that looks terrible. So he's going to cook and I'm going to wash dishes. So have fun, Mom. Cooking dinner. Make sure it's delicious, okay? यो चाहिँ mashed potato अनि यो चाहिँ अलिकति दुध र अनि बटर हालेर चाहिँ के थियो अनि अन्त salt अब यो थिच्ने हुने छैन रहेछ के अनि त्यही भएर अब चम्चाले यस्तो गरेर बनाउँछु अब and this is mashed potato. How it looks like. It's delicious, guys. Vegetables fry order and chicken dollar powder. Where's the chicken, baby?
Haven't cooked it yet.
Oh, I thought I put it down there in the oven.
Adding in a minute. I need something to put this in.
Vegetables ready. Let's go put some. Yeah, about the chicken back this one. एउटा पिस चाहिँ मलाई एउटा पिस चाहिँ मेरो बुढालाई. Yeah. It's simmering. He's preparing the chicken. Honey chicken.
Barbecue honey.
Barbecue honey chicken. And chicken is here. It's just ready to eat. And he's thinking. Thinking and thinking. And मैले चाहिँ यहाँ plate पनि ready बनाएँ. Your vegetables. Your mashed potato. What is that? Is that like a sauce, barbecue sauce? Hope it's nice, eh? Why don't you just bring it there, Mark? Close to the where the meat is. You need a proper mixer, you know. And now, what are you gonna do?
Dish it up.
You make it so nice. That's my piece. There's another piece here.
Eat it.
Yum. Thank you. Pour some vegetables. Vegetables, they're 100% guys for your good health. That's enough, babe. I need a fork and a knife. I don't want too much honey sauce. Guys, 잠시 여러분 함부로 dinner cancel. And this is it. So I'm chef saying wow, Mr. Chef, Kate, Kristen, Steven.
Unka.
Do you like it?
The meat's tasty.
Tasty? Enjoy your meal, love. Anyways, mopani cancel over, guys. Till then, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my vlog. Love you all. God bless you, everyone. Bye.
Bye.